Today it's Monday, August 4th, 2025. Who remembers the SL65, the Brabus one? We almost forget it, right? No, we didn't. Where am I? You remember the hot side of the turbochargers that was cracked and it was gone? Let me show you. I'm talking about those two turbochargers here with the cracks. Just a reminder here. Alright, but they have some cracks also here. Okay. Yeah, if you see the previous parts for this car, you'll understand. So there was one problem, because the cartridge and the rest of the parts are okay, but not the hot side. So what are we gonna do? Let me show you what are we gonna do. What we did. New hot side. Isn't that amazing? I'll install also the wastegate here, and the same thing also here. Nice. What's the difference? I make some small difference. It has this one, these small pieces, okay, stainless steel. It's a little bit greater, okay, it's not gonna affect something. Then you see I haven't removed it. Here has M7, all right. This, it doesn't have M7, this has M8. This is M8, not M7 anymore, and I fix also this one. We don't have run out, we don't have cracked turbos anymore. It's not amazing. We have nice, healthy surfaces, fresh new turbo. Here it's a little bit more thick than the old version. This is the new version. Looks decent, right? I put a bet that it will gonna last much longer than this hot side. So now what I'm doing, no need this is gonna be returned back to the customer. The same thing also with some studs from here, all right? And now I need to change the hardware. I need to put new nuts, new studs. I need to find also, not for back here, but like I said, this M7, I don't care about that. I need to get M8. I'm gonna see from where I'm gonna get it, most well from M157. You know, that's what I'm gonna do. We have for M157. So we're gonna upgrade also the studs and the nuts and all these things. This goes back, as I said, like I said. What I'm waiting, what I don't have. Yeah, you think that I'm gonna move on? No, this is just only to bring the video front, because I'll forget it. What I'm waiting the washers here. You're gonna be ready tomorrow. Here we're gonna have different size, because a little bit greater. All right. This side is gonna be normal. It's like that. So that's what I'm doing. Nuts, studs, preparing everything, and waiting tomorrow to receive the washers for the surface here, to put the washers, to put the accordion. One difference here is that you have to put it this way. It has to be this way. Why? Because now with the step, it doesn't pass. It's not passing inside. Small, no, not a big deal. Not a big problem, all right? Tomorrow, like I said, today I'm gonna prepare the studs. Not this, this goes back to the customer. This goes back to the customer. I'm gonna prepare the studs, like I said, to be ready, right? I might make also one test fit, and I'm gonna dress also the cylinder head with the studs here. Why? Yes, that's why I haven't torqued down these bolts, because the bolts that had here before, it was 13 millimeters the head and was grinded. So let's see what are we gonna do here. If it's not touching, then we're good. If it's touching, I have to put the previous bolts that had here, the ones with the machine head. Alright, that's the story. Just a small update. This, I believe that I wrote like something like maintenance. Yeah, something like that. We're gonna see. I'm gonna find the title. That's it. If you cannot find turbos, you can make it. Same area to radius ratio, same AR, just only the materials. It's a little bit different. The material for the hot side, for the casting. Looks decent. That's it. Small update. Thank you very much. Tomorrow, when I'm gonna get also the washers, I'm gonna bring the engine. I'm gonna take it from there. I'm gonna bring it here to start dressing it. We're gonna see that step by step. Thank you very much. Over and out. The turbos, I need to put some oil later on. They don't have any problem, like I said. I cleaned it that time. I remember that I cleaned them. That's why I blocked them. Right? And you know what I have to do? I have to go to check again the previous video to see what I have done. 99% I have cleaned the turbos, I have repaired the turbos. That's what I remember. We're gonna find out. We're gonna find out. I have already made a test fit. The cartridge inside fits beautiful. On this one, it's been warped and it doesn't fit inside because not even straight here. But this is beautiful. This is new. That's it. Thank you very much. Over and out.